So I will start presenting. So I'm making a music web app called TuneFlow. It's similar to Spotify and YouTube Music. So before I start my presentation, I have a little task. So I want you guys to sign up, and then under the library, you guys will create a playlist and make it public so that I can see on later during the explore page. All right. So while you guys doing, I will speak in the background. So this is me. I'm Khong Singh. You can call me Brian. So in the past, I'm a production engineer, and my goal is to become a software developer and to land a job as a software developer. So the objective of my app is I hate ads. I really do despite ads. It just shove it in your face without telling you anything. Then you have to watch these ads for like a couple of minutes and all. So that's why I create a music app which is ad free. That is the main point of my app. So background. So the inspiration I get it is my frustration from constant ad disrupting music. So when I'm listening in my car, there will sometimes ads will pop up, and it really disrupt my listening experience. And then also, my desire to have a seamless and uninterrupted listening experience. So next, for the pitch. So my app is user friendly, so it's a simple app, not so much going in the background. It's also a ad free music streaming platform. So it's focused on clean UI, fast search, and smart playlist management. So I can potentially monetize it premiumly, that I can partner up with indie music developer, and that push up their music in the search list. So that's one of the way I can make money from instead of just using ads. So problem statement. So existing free music platform are usually bombarded with ads, like Spotify. After you listen to like a couple of music, an app will pop up. And also in Spotify, if you realize, you don't have control over your playback. You can't really let's say you have a playlist. You can't really pick what music you want to listen. You have to play all, and it will shuffle accordingly. So there's a gap in the market for distraction-free and customized music. That's why I'm making this app. So my target audience is mostly for music lovers who wants to listen without ads. Also, student or worker who are doing their work and want to focus on relaxation. Those are my target audience, and also people who are looking for alternative platform beside all those huge giants app in the market. So tech overview. So these are my text overview: programming language, JavaScript, SQL. So these are mostly what we learn on the bootcamp. So what I want to focus here is the YouTube Music API, which I'm using, Spotify API, which to get all my music data, and also React Player, which is I really like this one. So React Player enables you to create your customized playback. You can customize your seeking bar, your volume bar, and etc. So if you really look into making a music or video app, this is one of the things you can look for, React Player. So for my challenges, I have challenges in linking Spotify and YouTube result. So because of the naming convention in Spotify and YouTube, sometimes when you click on the link, it doesn't give you the actual result. It will give you a different video. So it will create an incorrect playback. So some YouTube result played the wrong song, causing poor user experience. So for my solution, I developed a custom scoring system that compares Spotify title and YouTube result. So to give the user the wanted result based on the highest score. So after I did that, my matching accuracy is around 80%. So there's still some gray area where sometimes user can get the wrong songs. So I'm trying to improve on that. So for demo, this video is quite long, so I just proceed to showing the actual one. So on your home, you have a recently played. So I set up recently played data. So it will capture 10 recent song that you played. So each of these card, there's a play button. You can just click on it and it will autoplay on the background. I'm not sure there's audio. There's no audio. Never mind. Okay. Yeah. I think you guys can just play around with this. All right. Then also there's a recently add. This is all the music that you recently add into your playlist. And then for explore. Okay. This is I think this is by Adrian. Anisha also did a random playlist. So yeah, this is all the public playlists that everyone shared. So Chin, G Dragon, I think, yeah, yeah. So you can play all. Wait, there's only one. Let me show something with. Okay, so I can play all. So it will play the first song. When I click on next, it will play the second song. So and then there's a seeking bar. You can seek. There's a time frame here. And then this is the mute. You can toggle. You can play around with the volumes. And also the loop. So the loop function, once it ends, without user input, it will loop the song again. All right. So for the library, so this is the testing one. So you can create playlists. Let me just make a quick one. So let's. All right, they'll come up a new playlist, and then you also can delete the playlist. So you will remove. Okay, so you also can edit. So let's say we put this to testing one. We save the change, and then yeah, the name will change. So we also can upload an image for your cover. It takes some while for Firebase, yeah. So it will change, and then you also can delete the cover. So in the playlist, if you are the creator of the playlist, you can delete the music from the playlist. Yeah. So let's say, for example, explore. Let's say this is created by Chin. I want to remove her playlist. I couldn't because it's not created by me. I only can access it and play the music that she put up. So yeah, that's about it for my app. So moving back to the slides. So feature and functionality, there's no ad. There's also autoplay. So autoplay I do want to highlight is, let's say if your tab is inactive, it do not autoplay due to Google service. I think Google autoplay service. It doesn't allow you to autoplay in active tab. So I think you need to be whitelisted for it, like YouTube and Spotify in order to do it. But you can use that Mozilla Firefox to enable the autoplay feature. I think they are not so strict on the autoplay rules. And then you also have a full control on your playback. So for future enhancement, I wish to add more control to mobile view. So for mobile view, now currently you can just play. You can't really seek the timestamp. You can't choose where you want to listen from. So I'll definitely add into it. Lyrics maybe, and also following. You can like or dislike a public playlist. So for my learning experience, mostly is on how to set up that, how to use external APIs, how to apply third-party tools and learn through their documentation, read their documentation on how to use the tools, and understand how to make a full-stack web application. So for feedback, I mostly get feedbacks from that presentation during fundamentals and all from other students. So like sometimes they get their feedback. I take those feedback and apply it for myself. Yeah. Personal growth, I improve on my computational thinking, problem solving skill, and also be more confident and navigate debugging codes. So summary, I would like to thank Daven, Safa for this three months, total of 3 months, continual guidance and valuable feedback. And also I'd like to thank my classmate for bringing positive vibe into the class. And it's good to see that there's there's a lot of people who are in the same boat as me, who are trying to change job, change field. So yeah, it's really good to see that. So for my resources, I'm using YouTube Music API. It's an npm package, and also a React Player, which is also an npm package. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.